Your world, your schedule. Experience unrivaled private jet travel with Olivia Sterling Charters. Forget airport chaos. Imagine Europe, the UK, the Caribbean, and the USA reimagined, all with Charters by Sterling. Our members enjoy seamless travel. Picture London to Paris return flights from just €400 with your OSG annual luxury lifestyle membership included. This is more than a flight. It's bespoke luxury tailored to your schedule. Arrive perfectly refreshed every single time. Ready for a new era of travel? Discover how we redefine your journey. Visit oliviasterlinggroup.com/charterflight